Struggling with jet lag? Here's your ultimate guide to beating it and feeling refreshed no matter where you travel. In today's video, we'll share top tips and tricks to help you overcome jet lag and make your travels smoother and more enjoyable. Jet lag happens when your body's internal clock is out of sync with the new time zone. It can lead to fatigue, insomnia, and general discomfort. Tip 1. Before your flight, gradually shift your sleep schedule to match your destination's time zone. Drink plenty of water before and during your flight to stay hydrated. Tip 2. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. Move around and stretch during the flight. Use an eye mask and neck pillow to create a more restful environment. Tip 3. After you arrive, expose yourself to natural light as soon as you arrive to help reset your internal clock. Engage in light exercise to boost your energy levels and help adjust to the new time zone. Additional tips and tricks. Explore apps and gadgets designed to help manage jet lag, and stick to a balanced diet to support your body's adjustment process. With these tips, you'll be ready to tackle jet lag and enjoy your trip to the fullest. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and tricks. Share your jet lag experiences and solutions in the comments below.